Kwdwkma Jora Romwi Amchaini Lama Khobwi Dalbidal Jungjalo Kwlaijak Tongmani Kulai Champahour Constituency ni Ananta Sikaribara Amchaini Lukurok Phasalo Thaino visit Khlainani Thangkha TTAADC ni CEM Runiel Debbarma Amchaini MDC Rajeshwar Debbarma Khobwi Kubun Adongrok TTAADC ni CEM Omaniyagulo Phasalo Kwai Champahour Constituency ni Ananta Sikaribara visit Khlainani Thangkha CEM Runiel Debbarma Azrawo binilogyo manjaka Amchaini MDC Rajeshwar Debbarma Deputy CEO no Khobwi Kubun Adongrok Kwdwkma Jora Romwi Jungjalo Kwlaijak Tongmani Amchaini Lukurok Phasalo TTAADC ni CEM T Amchaini MDC no Ganawo Manai Boroni Dalbidal Jungjalni Kokno Shaka Abai kino Boroni Kokno Khanaka CEM Runiel Debbarma te Amchaini MDC Rajeshwar Debbarma no Khobwi Boroni logyo manjane te Kubun Adongrok Boroni Kokno Khanamani yagulo Boroni Jungjalo Shokomorna ni bagi daktino Shep Shamna Harjang ni Shaka CEM Abani yagulo Ashni Pandano to Khlainani Thangkha MDC Rajeshwar Debbarma Shaka ADC Songbari ni Shokang Amchaio visit Khlainani Phaimani Jorawo Boroni Jungjalni Kokno Shaiman Mani Amchaio Thangphai Khlainani Bagoi Koreka Hamlama Erisha Habango Asumani Yaglo Obon Puila Boroni Amchaio Neta Montri visit Khlainani Hanei Shaka MDC Rajeshwar Debbarma
TTAADC Honorable Chief Executive Member Romwi Runiel Debbarma Bini first visit of maiden visit after assuming of chair as C executive member TTAADC Monka Ananta Sikaribara ADC village under 10 Kulai Champahour ADC Constituency Oro Joto high official tongoro sini deputy CEO tongo sini JDU sep tongo sini oro party ani colleagues rok tongbai oro zonal sub zonal chairman rok tai ononno sini rank and file oro tongo Oroni borok Lama bagi Kubwi problem election camping Jora Phakya borok Mogol Mukti Khiklaini Kok Saka Bongni Lama Hamya an bagi first singtini Kubwi lucky hinmano sini Honorable Chief Executive Member bo ani request bo oro Phakya bini omo Kubwi significant is a milestone Sukangrogo Kunu minister Kunu public representative of Paroge visit Khlaimani Kri abono tini Saka oron kamini borok Obo kaisa history o kaisa milestone ta remarkable ekta day sini baginai karon bor belek kanu khushi inka bele happy inka o sini chief executive member o sakaje bo within November and December of this year bo oro black top khanan baginai bo samu khainai tai bad baki state government o take up khainai jate kore oroni kamini borok lama ni bagi problem yati lama ka sini borok ni sabse prothom condition jeta lama kriye kono develop khlaiman ya on bagi mo lamano sung kaham ke khaina bagi no saituk nai ang personally oroni representative ngai ang take up khainai obono tini ang bo personally belai heavy jetu sini honorable CM o kami bises claim hai asuk distress omo far lang area hani mano o jaga phaimani bagi nai belai hambai thank you obo main route by 2 kilometers habjago mo ekdom mo tam honai long drive pahar ni bisingo mo ekdom long drive mane range ta mo Oh yes, tobato kok pogi thangma hayang ka bo nai je busu kaham oro sini borok no kisa mai chana bagine bo or ni para chodri naro bo kisu monitoring help like at the same time kasa patient oro okra borok bono haino bo financially help like for medical treatment oro simon je busu generosity bini tong busu generous obor simon je pure sini thansani sobabos bubok ne warrior ngi nai sing tini oro o phaisho bai hambai
Aslo visit Khlainani Thangmani Joraona Amchaini Khoroksa Studio Nukuni Shak Khami Kwlaijak Borok Sobasok Khaijaka TTAADC ni CEM Runiel Debbarma ni Bakhakdei Champahour ni Shimi Boyar ni Kokthum Chini Khorang